Today with my friends, Mark 4 Golf GTI 1.8T. Today we're putting a downpipe on it, high flow, well, completely catless actually. The current stock downpipe on this car is actually extremely restrictive. Only about an inch in diameter, I'd say. This is about 3 inches, I want to say. So, big improvement. Should see a huge difference in performance. We put this air intake on a couple days ago. We got it used for pretty cheap. Works well. Cold air, InGen actually, so nice. About a K&N air filter down there. And yeah, it's this car. It's pretty. You got it for a really great price actually. So we're gonna have some time to do some cool stuff to it. New bumpers coming soon. Lights. It's already lowered on coilovers. So, but first we're gonna focus on performance and maintenance. All the gaskets should be replaced at this point. I think the valve for a gasket is slowly leaking a little bit. And then also the oil pan gasket is leaking. So those will be coming in the not too distant future, but for now, downpipe time. All right, so the downpipe is completely off.
Completely. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! I'm never doing that again.
Alright, so this is the OEM downpipe with the big Cali converter there. Really restrictive, as you can see, compared to the new one. What is this? Is 3 inches, right?
Mm-hmm.
And that's like 1 inch.
It's like less.
That's kind of sucky, but
and it's all twisted. Come on, look at that sleek streamline.
taking the old one off was really painful, actually.
Can't go wrong. Yeah, it was a pain in the ass.
All the oil. I think we broke a
The
stub.
one, no. Look, the one thing I'm afraid of. I'm afraid this winds around something. And this is just gonna be hard.
Yeah.
But
we're gonna try it.
We'll make it work.
Yeah, we're gonna try it. Alright. Downpipe in. Some more civilized sound, I think. Quite a bit nicer. Roadier. Lots of turbo spool I heard in the car. It's pretty awesome. It's loud. But it's good loud. I like it. Alright, now I gotta install downpipes on this car. That'll be the next video.